Hey guys, today we're going to show off my new truck on Gigabyte Off-Roading and see what it can do. Let's go here. I've been working on this truck for a while. It's a little glitchy right now because I just started up the world. And as you can see, there's Devil's Staircase. We are not going to go up that because it was really hard last time I did it. So we're just going to try and do this. Like, not this, but hill climbs. As you can see, I'm not really in like four-wheel drive. I'm just driving around. Gonna get some money. I have no control of whatever I'm doing. If you go here, you'll be able to and you haven't already got it, there's a goat right here and it gives you money. Like, goats give you money if you hit them. Because you pretty much, you're picking them up and selling them. I'm not gonna be in four-wheel drive yet. Oh my gosh. I had to go grab my charger, my phone was dying. I'm not really gonna do anything, but if y'all want me to tell me a challenge and I'll try to do it. Comment. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. I'm working on an intro, but I'm not really getting one yet. This is the only truck I have. I was driving wheelies today. I'm gonna jump it. Wheelie! Oh, I can't jump it. I'll show you Devil's Staircase, but I'm not gonna go up it. If y'all want me to, just tell me to in the comments. Well, that's all for now. See y'all guys next time.